Thanksgiving, no stuffing, gives you gas. You make me mad. That makes me mad. Hi, little Crashy. Going bad again. And chew with your mouth closed. That's nasty. Extra points if I hit the big one. That's what we were talking about earlier when you weren't here. Look out below or above, whichever. Crash! How could you? Besides in the literal sense. This is humility-terrifying! That's repugnified!
We need to use Crunch against Embryo to defeat him, Crash. Try to jack him when you get the chance.
Get it, bananas!
Time to be bad, in a good way. I am the greatest, usually. Form of a monkey panda machine.
I'm burning with failure.
He's still here. And Crunch is on the case. I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. Tall, beautiful, and strong, baby. Ooh, that's the good stuff.
My real name
Who's ready for some double trouble? Time to show him who the real champ is. I am the greatest, usually. Now we're twice the trouble. Now we're so bad, you can see us on the Richter scale. Now we're so pretty, I could kiss myself. And I'm platonically correct. And Crunch is on the case. Tall, beautiful, and strong, baby. Form of a monkey pounder machine. I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. Time to be bad in a good way.
Why, Crashy? You mean? I spy Bandicoot.
Bring it on, baby.
So cold.
Who's ready for some double trouble? Time to show him who the real champ is. And Crunch is on the case. I am the greatest, usually. Now we're so pretty, I can kiss myself. And I'm platonically correct.
Don't steal my watch.
I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. Now we're twice the trouble. Ooh, that's the good stuff. All beautiful and strong, baby. Bring it on, baby. Stop it, that's mine!
Just swat him away, Muscles!
Hey, I feel great! Got the monkey off my back! Thanks, little buddy! No, really, I'm good now! Stop it, please! Stop it, please! Ow! Honestly, I'm much better! Ow! Lift with your legs, not with your back!
Well, I didn't think we'd meet again.
Well, you were wrong and I was right. As right as Betamax. Why won't the world understand? We've got limitless bad mojo to power NVs.
Bad mojo? How are you getting that? Start talking, mister. Crash likes Crunch, and look what he's doing to him.
Cortex and I are in charge now, little fool. And your island is trapped by a device that
That you invented, yeah. Come on, Crash. Looks like my brother is involved in this mess. You go on home, Crunch.
Yeah, think I'm leaking brain juice. Gonna lay down a while. Sleepy.
And you clear out. You're not welcomed. Come on, Crash. Let's go find my brother.
This isn't the end. I invented endings. Why don't people take me seriously?